Hello friends, welcome to Let's Stud. Today we are going to learn a logical function part 2. Logical function part 2. I am covering if function, the most important function of Excel. If you understand the basic of if function, then you become a master. Okay? So let's start it. Equal to if bracket open, you have to specify your condition. If the condition is satisfied, then this is my answer. Okay, you have to give comma, okay, and you have to give an answer. If this condition is not satisfied, then what is my answer? And bracket close, most important, bracket close. Okay, you are comparing the data. Okay, if my condition is satisfied, this is my answer. If not satisfied, this answer. Okay, and your answer in alphabetical, then you have to use codes for alphabetical answer. For example, your answer is yes, Y-E-S, okay? Then you have to use in codes, type Y-E-S, close the codes, okay? Or your answer in no, again use codes, type no, N-O, close the codes, okay? Clear? Your answer in alphabetical, applicable, not applicable, bonus eligible, bonus not eligible. Okay, whatever your answer, if in alphabetical, then you have to use codes. Clear? Yeah. If your answer in numerical data, if you are answering numeric data, then you have to just give numeric data only. Don't use codes. Okay, if your answer is 1000, just type 1000, no comma, 1000. If your answer is 2000, 2000. So let's do practice in Excel and understand the basic of Excel of if functions. Okay, so let's start it. In part 1 we have covered and, not, or. Okay, in part 2 we will cover if function. Okay, now if you want to apply if command, the rule is said that you have to type command if bracket open, you have to give your first condition. Okay, you have to give your condition. If condition is satisfied, then what is your answer? Okay, if condition is satisfied, then what is your answer? If condition is not satisfied, then what is the answer? Okay, please note that there is no space between the formula. Only after comma you have to give your answer if condition is satisfied, and comma if condition is not satisfied. Okay, we will see detailed explanation, okay, with example. Okay, if your answer is in alphabetical, then you have to give your answer in codes. Okay, if your answer is in alphabetical, then you have to give answer in codes. Let's see the formula. If A1 is greater than 5000, if this condition is satisfied, then my answer will be yes. If condition is not satisfied, then my answer will be no. Okay, please note that there is no space in if function. Okay, but by mistakenly if you put space bar, but Excel will automatically remove the space bar. Okay, if your answer in numeric, then no need to give codes, just you have to give numeric data only. Now, let us see the detailed analysis of if condition. Okay. Always in your mind, how many if require, how to solve it, how to understand the formula, how to understand the condition, that basic you should be understand. Okay. Let us start it. If there are two conditions, then single if required. If three conditions are there, then two if required. If four conditions are there, four answer is there, then three if required. Now, we will move to Excel formula. Okay. Please note that whenever you close the bracket, that time Excel will blink the opening bracket. We will see in our actual practice in Excel. Okay. Now, we will first understand the example of A1 equal to 5000. Okay. If A1 is equal to 5000, condition is given that bonus is eligible for greater than rupees 4,999 salary. Okay. Below formula in cell number B1. Okay. If A1 is greater than equal to 4,999, then bonus is eligible. Okay. If condition is not satisfied, bonus is not eligible. Okay. Please note that there is no space bar. If you are answering alphabetical, then you have to give in codes. Okay. If you are answering numerical data, then codes is not required. Okay. Now, second important example is income tax slab. First, understand how many if required. You should understand how many conditions are there. This is my first condition, this is my second condition, this is my third condition, and this is my fourth condition. If four conditions are there, then three if required. So, we will do practice in Excel for this tax calculation formula. Okay. This is your slab rate, 0 to 2 lakh no tax, 2 lakh to 5 lakh 10% tax, and income is 5 lakh to 10 lakh, tax rate is 20% plus 30,000. 30,000 is, if you see the difference between 5 lakh and 2 lakh is 3 lakh, and 3 lakh 10% is tax is 30,000. Okay. And last one is about 10 lakh. If your income is about 10 lakh, then tax is 30% plus 30,000 for this slab and 1 lakh for third slab. Okay. This is your income, and now I am calculating the tax. Okay. Let us do the command practice. Okay. Equal to if bracket open D24 less than equal to 2 lakh comma, then my tax will be 0. Now, my second condition, if bracket open D44 is less than equal to 5 lakh, then my tax is, you have to open the bracket, select the cell, minus 2 lakh, bracket close, multiply 10%. Okay. Now, my third condition, if bracket open D44 less than equal to 10 lakh, 10 lakh comma, bracket open D44 minus 5 lakh bracket close multiply 20% plus 30,000. Okay, clear? And the last condition is, if income is greater than 10 lakh, then your last answer is, you have to open the bracket D 44 minus 10 lakh bracket close multiply 30% plus 1,30,000. Okay, clear? Now I am closing the bracket. Okay, just note that whenever you close the bracket, Excel will blink the opening bracket. Okay, now just see here also, the here and here. Okay, second bracket I am closing. Okay, now this will be blinking. Clear? Okay, now my formula is completed. Okay, so if income is 2 lakh, then tax is 0. If income is 2,30,000, then tax will be 10% on above 2 lakh. Okay, so friends, please do practice of if command in Excel sheet so that you can familiar. Okay, now we will move on summary of lecture. So friends, you have carefully understand the basic Excel if command notes and the practice section. Okay, I am now giving you a summary of if function. Okay, just carefully revise or understand it. Okay, if your answer in alphabetical, then you have to use in codes, no space in your Excel command, no space required. And if second answer in alphabetical, then again you have to use code, and don't forget to close the bracket. If you by mistakenly not close the bracket, then Excel will do automatically close the bracket. Okay, but he will show the error. Okay, that you have not closed the bracket. If your answer in numeric, no need of codes, just give the numeric data. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, answer is numeric. If this condition is not satisfied, you have to give 2000 this numeric data. Okay, clear? And the most important is that if two conditions are there, then only one if required. Okay, if two conditions, this is two conditions, 1 and 2. Okay, two condition, only one if required. Three condition, then 2 if required. Okay, and last one is 4 condition, there, then 3 if required. Okay, so please do practice for if function. Okay, and carefully understand the basic notes and practice section. Okay, and do independently practice in your home and in your office. Okay, by way of any hypothetical data you can try it. Okay, but if you are applying this if function in HR data, then please try to apply a hypothetical data and try it whether my answer is correct or not. Okay, don't apply directly. Okay, you have to give some input for your if functions, whether this if functions is properly running or not. Okay, whether the command, whether the numerical conditions, okay, whether alphabetical answer is perfect or not. Okay, so by way of hypothetical data, you will confident that my answer is correct. But suppose if you have any doubt, if the answer is not correct, then correct the Excel formula, that is if function, and again try it whether answer is correct or not. I'll also note that the closing the bracket. Okay, Excel has facility. Whenever you close the bracket, he will blink the opening bracket. Okay, he will blink the opening bracket only for 1 second, only for 1 second. Okay, if you have applied, then every closing of bracket Excel will blink you a different type of color for 1 second. Okay, and by mistakenly if you forget to close the bracket and press the enter key, then Excel immediately pop up that you have not closed the bracket, and you again press the enter, Excel will give on its own the closing bracket. Okay, so be careful while closing the bracket. So that's it for today. Hope that you have understood it. If you have any doubt or query, then please comment down in comment section. Okay, and to watch such videos, then please subscribe our channel. Okay, and to never miss an update from us, then don't forget to press the bell icon for us. Okay, until next time, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.